Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I did a video on this star just yesterday, and I started thinking it would look pretty cool with color. So if you didn't watch the first one, you might want to watch it. But this time I'm not going to use the interactive fill tool. I'm just going to use the smart fill tool, and I'm going to pick a brown, and then I'm going to pick this brown. But while that's picked, I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to add a little white to it to make it a little lighter. Now, still with the Smart Fill tool, I'm going to fill that in, and I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to add a little black to make it a little darker, make it a little bit darker still. Now, I have to admit the interactive fill tool did make it look cool, but this looked pretty cool. Control G and make a group of it, and then just send the rotation to the center, and then go our 72 degrees, 4 copies. We need 5, but we've already got one, and then just hit apply. So without any interactive fill tool, that looks pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.